This is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own, this is a beeswax, so it's not vegan, bullet lipstick base. And let's see, the first thing we want to start with is 1 1/8 teaspoon of shea butter. And right here I have my double boiler bowl working. So as this is going to be melting as I add these ingredients. And you'll see me use a lot of these snack cups a lot because it's just easier to store and move things around. So we're going to do 1 1 teaspoon. So let's get 1 teaspoon out. Okay. All right, that's 1 teaspoon, and now I need 1/8. And the next thing we need is 2 teaspoons of carnauba wax. So I always keep plenty of paper towels for cleaning, and 91% alcohol. All right, so we need 2 teaspoons of carnauba wax. That's 1, and that's 2. Move this back. Now we need 1 tablespoon of beeswax. Okay. Then I want to put 3 tablespoons of castor oil. Plus 3/4 of a teaspoon. Oop, a little bit over. That's 1, 2, 3. Let's see, I need 3 3/4. So let me scoop the rest of this out with my spatula. I need 3/4 of a teaspoon. I'm going to dip this one in. I think it went better. And when you make this yourself, you can be a little more precise when you do it because you won't be making a video. So we're going to put this. If it wasn't for the video, when I did the castor oil, I would have taken my spatula after each one and got the excess out to make sure I had the correct amount. So it's very, very close. I don't think it's going to really matter, but when you do this yourself, you might want to do that. Okay, next is jojoba oil. So we need 2 tablespoons. This is a lot thinner than the castor oil was, so it's easier to pour. 1, 2, and it also drains out of the measuring spoon a lot easier. All right, that was 2, so I need my 1/2 a tablespoon. Okay. And the next I just need 1 teaspoon. Where did I put that? Okay. Okay, so we just need 1 more teaspoon of this. So if you jojoba, that's the last of the jojoba oil. Put the lid back. And that's how easy it is to make your own bullet lipstick base. It's just a matter of putting the ingredients in and then letting it dissolve here on the double boiler bowl. So once this is done, I'm going to pour it into this pinch bowl container, and once it's cool, I can transfer it into one of my mason jars. Okay, now that that's completely dissolved, I'm going to take one of my paper towels and wipe off the bottom of the bowl. And once your double boiler bowl cools, I wipe it out really well, but I like to clean it with 91% alcohol before I go to the next project. And hopefully this will all fit in here. These are 4-inch bowls, so it's perfect amount. Okay, we're going to turn that off. Okay, this was your bullet beeswax lipstick base. So when this cools off, I'm going to put it in another container and store it. Okay, that was it for that one.